Sometimes when we start a ketogenic diet, it can be overwhelming. We have no idea what keto foods to avoid and what keto foods to eat. Access ketogenic diet resources in the description below. The ketogenic keto diet is a lifestyle that involves eating high fat, moderate protein and very low carbs. It is a way of eating to remove harmful foods and replace them with healthy, whole foods. Whether your goal with the keto diet is weight loss or preventing a disease, the stricter you are in avoiding these foods, the better your chances are of seeing results. But, just like all new diets, please consult with, or find some guidance from an authorized wellness practitioner or medical practitioner before commencing any ketogenic diet. Let's take a look at some meals or foods you should avoid when following a ketogenic diet. 1. Pasta. Pasta is an often forgotten carb because it's not thought of in the same way as pastries and baked goods, but it gets broken down by the body into glucose just like any other carb. Couple pasta with the high sugar content of most spaghetti sauce and you're in for a carb-laden meal that's sure to get you out of a state of ketosis. A cup of pasta, which is the suggested serving size, contains 14 grams of carbs. A better option for those on the keto diet would be zucchini pasta made from spiraled zucchini. 2. Baked goods. While taking a trip to the local bakery is a tantalizing experience, it's a nightmare for anyone who is in a state of ketosis. While it's true that most baked goods are high in fat, they're also high in carbs and sugars, which will bring your body out of a state of ketosis when consuming them regularly. One example of a bakery item that's high in carbs is your typical frosted cupcake, which contains 30 grams per serving. 3. Corn. Low in fat, but incredibly high in carbohydrates, corn is one of the most unfriendly keto foods that you could consume. A half cup of cooked corn contains a whopping 32 grams of carbs, which makes it higher than most other carb-laden foods. 4. Honey. This sugary syrup might be delicious drizzled on fruits or added to your beverages, but it's a bad choice for those following the keto diet. It contains 17 grams of carbs per tablespoon. 5. Processed foods with high fructose corn syrup. The amount of carbs in high fructose corn syrup is about 14 grams per tablespoon. Unfortunately, many shelf-stable foods are high in HFCS, making them a heavy carb for those in a state of ketosis. 6. Rice. Rice contains a whopping 45 grams of carbs per cup of white rice. While many think that brown rice is healthier, it still contains the same amount of carbs per cup serving. A better and lower carb option to rice would be cauliflower rice. 7. Breads. White bread contains 15 grams of carbs and wheat bread, which is often touted to be healthier, contains 12 grams per slice. Even sprouted grain breads contain as many as 15 grams per slice. Most people who consume bread eat at least 2 slices, so you're talking at least 25 grams of carbs just for 2 pieces of bread. 8. Beans. Beans provide some fiber and other nutrients, but they're not a great fit for the keto diet due to their high starch carb content. An exception is green beans, as they're younger and less starchy than dried beans. 9. Bananas. Bananas are high in sugar, which is converted in the body to glucose and then used to fuel each system. One small banana contains roughly 19 grams of carbs, and if you choose a larger banana, the carb count continues to go up. 10. Alcohol. The high carb content of most alcoholic beverages makes it a problem for individuals following a keto diet. A 12-ounce can of beer contains almost 13 grams of carbs, and wine tops the alcohol charts at 14 grams per glass of sweet dessert variety. There are many foods to avoid on the keto diet that will slow down, or shut down, your body's fat-burning capabilities. Replace these with ketogenic foods to get yourself on track for success. Remember, that carbs must be kept very low to remain in ketosis. Thank you for watching, see you again on the next tutorial. Don't forget to access keto diet resources to help you with your weight loss plans. See the link in description.